104, I need you immediately. This is critical. Hey, I said don't move. I said don't move. I said don't move. Now, phone down. Everything's being recorded right now. Phone down. Put the phone down. 104, I need additionals. 555, you have an officer down. Hey, sir, police, stay back. Police, stay back. Stay back. I don't need units. I'm gonna need. Hey, I need you to stay back. Back from the public. You're a safety concern. I need containment. I need immediate containment. It's an invasive bird. His bird is lethal. Okay, I need you to put the bird down. Put the bird down. Okay, I will need you to put the bird down. No, put the bird down. Put the bird down. Put the bird down. Negative, don't taste the bird, don't taste the bird. Yeah, put the bird down. Put the bird down. Okay, now step away from the bird. Hey, officer, can you... Okay, can we get containment on that? Connor. Hey, just stay there. I need you to leave. I need you to leave. Sir, I need you. Sir, stay where you are. Stay where you are. No, stay where you are. Stay where you are. Connor, can you get that bird up?
I don't want to go near that thing.
Okay, let me go hands-on. Hold on. I'm gonna go hands-on. Sir, stop. He's resisting.
He's gonna say bird kill, and the bird goes after him.
Hey.
Ryan isn't either, and he won't like that.
Alright, okay. Alright. Hey, can someone grab the bird? Control. Oh my gosh, Sergeant. Get the bird under control. Someone get the bird under control. It's... No. Your bird may get destroyed, sir.
Look at the birdie. You want to pet the birdie? Pet the birdie.
He's resisting.
I'm good now. Yo! Oh! I got Gray! Shots fired.